Hi, welcome back. We're doing our next to last Halloween project for the season. So we are doing a boost sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some neon paints. There are several different colors, and we're going to use some supplies that also came from the Dollar Tree. They're like little ghosts to add to our sign to give it more of a spooky feel. Plus, I'm going to also use some glow in the dark paint over top of those, hoping that works. We'll see. Thanks. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, I had to do 4 coats of just that neon green after I primed it with white. It still did not want to take the green. I mean, I think I almost did 5 coats because it just would not, like, you could see white patches through it. Um, so sorry that there's a lot of painting going on and not a lot of talking, but I was getting a little frustrated that, and same thing with this neon orange. It took, I'd say 4 to 5 coats of just that neon color. It felt like it was very watered down. And I've never had that issue with any of the paints that I've ever bought. So after 4 or 5 coats, it finally popped the color that I wanted to see. So I know this is a really long video of a lot of painting, but it does get pretty once it's all painted. Just takes a lot of coats. So I would just please stay tuned. I'm sorry it's taking so long. So after doing so many coats of the neons and it took too long, I decided to go straight black on the punctuation symbol because I thought that would be my easiest way because black covers up really fast and I wouldn't be wasting any more of my time. This video, with me not cutting it out and everything, took me a week, all because I had to stop, let it dry, repaint, stop, let it dry, repaint. And I'm very, very proud of it, but it took forever. So noticed that there was no definition between the letters besides the color. So I decided to take a black Sharpie and go around the outside edges and the inside edges of the actual letters to make them look a little bit more defined. It does look a lot better now since I did that. And I love the little ghost because then it gives it a little bit of like, just instead of just the color and the showing off the colors, I thought it needed something else. So that's when I found these ghosts at Dollar Tree, and I had to put them on there. I can't wait to hang it on my door. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.